Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use Ibo Player Pro on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it, then you go to apps and you go up to app search, then you look for Ibo Player Pro. So even if it's Ibo Player Pro, they deleted the O for a certain reason, so you need to type only Ibo Player Pro. So it's the first app, it's not the second one. The second one is Ibo Player, the normal one, and this one is Ibo Player Pro. So I will select it, then click on install, wait for it to get installed. Then once it's installed, click on open, and the app is currently loading. And to make it working, you will need a playlist. So you can't buy the playlist from the website that you can't find on the first comment. You can also find the link of this website in the description of this video.